Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Motorola Moto G45. So first, we want to check if this phone has the fast charging, and yes it does. It has 20 watts of fast charging with its turbocharger. Now what else you guys want to do is check the cable and the charger for any visible damage or compatibility with your device if you're not using the original one. So then you guys want to clean your charging port with a non-metallic tool. Whenever you clean something with a metallic tool, then you can damage it, and the chances of it are very high. So use a non-metallic tool for that. And now what you guys can do is test your phone with another fast charger that is not yours or not original or an outlet. So if nothing seems to fix the issue, what you guys can do is unlock the phone and then go into settings. Here, scroll down until you guys see system updates and then click on check for updates. It will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me, and that's because I run the latest version. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys running it. It helps a lot and it fixes a lot of glitches, including this one. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.